Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. And now, if you would like to quickly activate Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar. And let's use it twice. Here let's tap on Do Not Disturb. As you can see right now, you are using the alarms only. So this is like the kind of the mode of Do Not Disturb. If you would like to change it, let's use this arrow right here. And as you can see here, you can for example switch into the total silence. So this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games. But of course you still be able to make phone calls. You can also choose the priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except from alarms, reminders, events and callers that you specified. You can also choose the alarms only, and what's also really important, you can for example use no time limit, and in that case you will decide when you would like to quit this mode, or you can choose for an hour or for another period of time, so you can just use some timer. Alright, let's tap done. As you can see, the alarms only is activated. You can also see this icon right here. But if you would like to change some settings with Do Not Disturb, you can choose apps, select settings. Here you may choose the sound and select Do Not Disturb. As you can see here, you can for example use allowed only in priority. So here you can handle with calls, you can accept some calls from some favorite contacts, you may do the same thing with messages, you can also handle with reminders, events and repeat callers. Let's go back. The really helpful thing is also the automatic rules, so you can switch on automatically the Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight or every other specified rule. That's it, let's go back. And if you would like to disable this mode, let's use the upper bar. And let's tap on Do Not Disturb to deactivate this. Alright, as you can see the icon disappears, so it means that right now you are using the normal mode of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.